We'll guide you through how to edit gaming videos in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and start by creating a new project. You can do this by clicking on File and then selecting New Project. Name your project something relevant to the video you will be editing. Once your project is ready, you'll be in the Media tab. Here, you need to import your gaming footage. Click on the Import Media button or simply drag and drop your video files into the media pool. Next, go to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom. Here, you can drag your clips from the media pool onto the timeline. This is where you'll assemble your video. Use the razor tool, which you can find in the toolbar or by pressing the B key, to cut and trim your clips. This allows you to remove any unwanted sections of your gameplay. To add transitions, go to the Effects library on the left side, find the Video Transitions folder, and drag the transition you like onto the timeline between two clips. You can adjust the duration by dragging the edges of the transition in the timeline. For color correction, switch to the Color tab. Here, you can adjust the exposure, contrast, and saturation to make your video look more vibrant. You can do this by using the color wheels and sliders. If you want to add text or titles to your video, go back to the Edit page, open the Effects library, and choose Titles. Drag the title you want onto the timeline, then adjust its position and content in the Inspector panel. Finally, when you're happy with your edits, you need to export your video. Click on the Deliver tab, choose your export settings, such as resolution and format, and click Add to Render Queue. Then hit Start Render to export your edited video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.